students, welcome back to the online classes of KVI Academy. Myself Krishna sir, as a social science teacher. Today I am going to teach you class 6 history lesson 4. Topic is first cities. You know, cities is very important for all the urban area peoples, but today you think in the mind cities, there are many kind of cities privileged today in modern era. For example, you see Banaras also, Gorakhpur also, very cities a district also. But in the earlier time there are also cities. There were also cities which are formed during this period, which caused a tremendous achievement towards all the civilization of the world. For example, the Indus Valley civilization, which privileged near the river Indus, because there are three reasons. For example, they get proper supply of water also. Secondly, transportation purpose also, and thirdly, the fertile lands among this area is very good for the agriculture purposes. And this is also known as River Valley project also. You see here, River Valley civilization, and also it is known as Indus Valley civilization, which is the first civilization of the world, called Harappa civilization also. And the reasons why all the civilization occur in the river side. Why? What is the reason behind it? The reason behind it, first one is the abundant supply of water available. You know, in the rivers area, there's lots of water available, so they get water from there for their domestic purposes also, for drinking purposes also, and for other purposes also. And second, the land near river was extremely fertile for agriculture. You know, rivers during this time required, because for the agriculture purpose, irrigation is very requirement. So they get water from the irrigation purpose also. So that's why water is very plentiful at the times, or today also. But the scenario is that at the time water is very precious, and water is very purified also. Third one is the river could be used as means of transportation. You know, during the early civilization, when there is an invention of wheel and fire, it can change the scenario of the world. Because today you get water also, river very water also, stone also, and other things we get today because of the help of water. And water is very useful because it gives us a various achievement, and we have very resources also. From the water we get food also, fish, marine life also, other purposes also. So water is good for everyone today. And during this site, there is a discovery of Harappan sites. You know, Harappa was the first civilization in the world. What is civilization? A civilization means a group of people living at a time same community and share their same cultural benefits and other civilizations. They become from rural to urban. Their life scenario totally changes. They get advanced with technology also. Because at a time, previous the early man cannot do any agriculture, but during the Neolithic age, people do agriculture, set up at homes. And with the invention of wheel, man can use transportation and go from one place to another place. And discovery of fire gave the main idea to escape from animal life also, and to cook the food, which is very delicious for all the purposes. During this discovery of Harappa site, namely was Harappa was discovered in 1921 by Daya Ram Sahni. It is very GK. This question must be come in the examination. Who discovered Harappa? You can write in the answer. Harappa was discovered in 1921 by Daya Ram Sahni. Because in Harappa there is a citadel also, rest area also. There is a dockyard also. This dockyard gave a plenty of transportation ports. So they trade from the sea route also, dockyards. And there is a great bath also. In the great bath, the same tank was given, and from the same great bath they give the supply of water to the cities also. At the time the road was very good. They used very plentiful. At the time there is a brick also. Today is a brick also present, because at the time the brick was back in the sunlight. But today you see we can see in the chimney also, in the winds also. You know, so that's why we see in the mind at the time the people were very good at the time. They have the same motives, or they have a lead their life in a simple way. They do agriculture also, rearing the animals also, and they do terracotta figuring also. Terracotta figurines they give us the idea of pottery also. They make a seal making also, and the road they construct road at the time because at the far side of the road there is a drainage system. No water log on the road also, because road was that time were very good. They last for a long times. And second one is Mohenjo-daro. You know Mohenjo-daro in Pakistan today. Mohenjo-daro is a abode of dead bodies. In 1922, R.O. Banerjee discovered Mohenjo-daro. It is now in Pakistan. You see, it is very early civilization also. It is, many excavation people write. You know, archaeologists. Archaeologists is a study remain of past life. They excavated the earth's surface and give us the idea at the time how the people live, how can they survive, what kind of food material they use. This we all get from the history, because history is a subject where we study about the past life. Third one is Chanudaro, 1931 by N.S. Majumdar. It was called Chanudaro also in N.J. Majumdar. It also gives us same privilege like the Great Wall also, shipping purposes also. They rear animals and they worship goat like goats, but Vishnu gods also, Pashupati's god also, and they live and they bury their dead body under the undersides of the earth and build a one great stone in the earth that is known as microlith. Now Halibangam in 1953 by B.R. Lal and a ghost discovered. And remember, they have the same as discovery. A great work also present there, and granary system also there. Dokia system also present there. Code DG in 1955 by Fazal Ahmad Khan discovered the Harappa site. Also, it is all cities also. At the time, Fazal Ahmad site is also slowly and gradually the civilization increased from this civilization, this civilization, these civilizations. Third one, Lothal in 1957 by A.S.R. Rao. You know, in Lothal in 1957, Lothal is now in Gujarat. Lothal, there is Dakwar system found, excavation system found. When they dig the earth, they find their houses system, pottery also, beads also. They make a terracotta ferica also, and this give an idea that how at the time people make a dockyard. They trade international trades from other peoples to other peoples, and so that's why this Lothal is very important. It is now in Gujarat. Surkotara in 1972 by J.P. Joshi discovered the Surkotara trades, and this time this Harappa civilization get a great excavations. People were do agriculture as much as they settle in one lives, and they make a colony also. They make a one rooms permanent house in one place to another and share their common life and cultures there. They dance also, their cultural activities also. They were stopping the food gathering purposes. They settle in one places and do agriculture from food gatherer to food producers. Last one is Dholavira. It is also in Gujarat in 1991 by R.S. Beach discovered Dholavira. It is main country here that it is also very good for Dokia system. People's get international trade from there, and in the internal there is social life. They the social life of they live in a company. They did not lead a nomadic lives, and in political life they rears animals. They animals rears also domestication also, and do animal husbandry purposes. And they worship in a religious worship. They worship gods, nature, sun, moons, and earths. And nowadays, during the Neolithic age, people were very good enough, and they do their own motives. And there are many. But today you see there is no industrial civilization, no river. What happened then? Because at the time there is no actual answer, but the historian give the idea that might be earthquake occurs, the civilization maybe occurs. Someone said that they cut down the trees, and this deforestation cause a certain rainfall due to drought. They may die, or they think in the mind someone foreigner attacks them, kill them, and their life is totally collapse. This is a possible. But this civilization gives the idea to this civilization that at the time they do great vast system, granary system, road systems. But today, you saw in the modern India, in the Neolithic age, peoples were totally different. Road system is totally different. Dokia system is totally different. Agriculture is totally different. Means this today idea we get from the past life. So this civilization is very important for us. And from this civilization we come to know that we should live in a harmony in life. We should conserve our natural resources as much as possible and lead a simple life. Thank you. Have a nice day.